Hello, the UAE flag team. This is Charles Crawshaw, Australian, mother's Chinese, dad's English, saying hello uh, with regards to the United Arab Emirates flag. And what's been wonderful is that I see that Mohsen Ahmed Al Hanifa Al Harithi is the leader of the UAE flag team, and I've been successful. Certainly since the 28th of February 2026, which I'll share. But I've been successful on social media about running the United Arab Emirates flag on my moon boots. Bitly moon boots for you is the promotion for the moon boots. And really, world peace now is the movement that we're causing here in Dubai. And also, what is beautiful is the United Arab Emirates has also got a space organization. So how about we really presence the possibility of world peace now on the moon boots by running 193 United Arab Emirates flags representing 193 United Nations. And then, if we like, we can certainly run 193 flags of those nations in the name of World Peace Now movement, causing the new space race. So Mohsen, if this is a possibility, then Olga Previc from Serbia runs Yala Jump, which is the moon boot supplier. She's got a team already. So we've already got the boots. So we just need flag holders, which you can get from Alibaba. And obviously the 193 United Nations flags, UAE flags, and the 193 United Nations flags separate. All right. Anyway, I've got another message, so I'll put this on as well. Thank you. Hello, I'm Hussein Al Harithi and the UAE flag team. Charles Crawshaw here in beautiful Jumeirah Village Circle, Dubai. I'm Australian, 62 years young, and a new father. And I saw your lovely post about loving the United Arab Emirates flag, and I thought I'd share some videos about myself being caught on social media bouncing on bouncy boots, or moon boots, I call them moon boots, around Jumeirah Village Circle over the last 3 years in the name of World Peace Now. And I just was it's beautiful because I guess this new backdrop that I've got is all about my 5 core values, which is arousing people. I love arousing people with the UAE flag and the bouncy boots. And people go, "What are you doing?" I said, "World Peace Now, World Peace Now." Everyone agrees. It's such a beautiful country. We love Dubai. I love Dubai. And then being joyful, I just love being joyful. It's just because it's contagious, I guess. If you're smiling right now, then it's working. And then contributing. I love contributing to the world, and my commitment is to cause world peace on this planet for my little baby daughter. My little baby daughter, Amina Shuwan. She's now 2.5 years old, and you can hear her in the background. Can you want to say hello? And so this one beautiful daughter. And then we've got contributing and then being a catalyst. So yes, I was responsible for causing the fire breathers in the opening ceremony of the Sydney Olympic Games in the name of World Peace Now. And so that's the Ceasefire project. It's my project I did. And then empathizing. Wow, yeah, look, I really empathize with people who are less fortunate than what I had. A gifted childhood. I went to an English boarding school, lived around the world. I lived in Australia, lived in Hong Kong, lived in London, and then Australia, and now Dubai. I love Dubai. So look, I just want to let you know that I just love the United Emirates flag. And in fact, Al Bashar police station knows about myself because just after I got married in 2022, I was running the Russian flag and the Ukrainian flag, and I ran around for 4 days. And the local security said, "Charles, watch out, watch out, watch out." On the 4th day, the Al Bashar police came and they took me down to the Al Bashar police station. And they confiscated my flags and they said, "Look, we understand what you're doing for world peace for Russia and Ukraine, but we don't want trouble here. We've got Russian people here, we've got Ukrainian people here. You can run the United Arab Emirates flag." And I said, "Okay." So ever since that day, I've been running the United Arab Emirates flag. The police have my social media, so they know all about me. And in fact, only 2 days ago here in JBC, a police car ran past and they gave me a thumbs up and I gave them a thumbs up. You know, it's just such a lovely, respectful and safe country for world peace now. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know that's who I am. And I love the United Arab Emirates. I love the UAE flag. All right, thanks very much. Oh, and look, if you want, we can get a group of moon boots together to run the UAE flag around the United Arab Emirates Space Center. Because I know that, you know, it's all about causing world peace on this planet such that we can go to the moon, such that we can go to Mars. It's called Mother Earth for a reason and Father Mars for a reason. So I just want to let you know that if you want us to run the UAE flag, a lot of them on bouncy boots or the moon boots, then let myself or let Olga know. She runs the Yalla Jump website, which is all about moon boots in the United Arab Emirates. Thank you. Bye-bye.